Greetings, folks. This is the digital marketing training that you've been waiting for. What it is the resource for premier digital marketing tools and trainings on how to excel and propel your digital marketing business as far as it can possibly go. I know you want to make as much profits. You want to help people. You want to be successful as an independent business owner. You want to get away from that dead-end job that you've been working. Although it's been paying the bills, I know you're tired of it. This is the way. Digital marketing. With digital marketing, not only can you build your own online business using these strategies and tools, but you can also be a freelancer and help other businesses by bringing their business online and helping them achieve the success that they truly deserve. Here's the training. As you can see here on the screen, get instant access to 2,640 plus step-by-step video lessons that cover 82 marketing subjects to kickstart your internet business in 2024. So let's go ahead and take a look at just some of the subjects that are going to be covered over this page. I just want to scroll through here so you see what you're getting. There is going to be a nifty little explainer video here to go over it briefly as well. But I want to show you, look, shopping carts and payment processors and affiliate networks. So what this is about, it's about basically how to get paid online, from a technical aspect. How do you set up a payment button? How do you get it to collect money from your prospective buyer and ensure that the money flows to you in spendable form? How do you do that? How does that work? How do you affiliate with affiliate networks? And for those who may not be aware or just may not have enough knowledge on it, affiliate network is simply a network of websites that allow you to sign up for free and promote their already made products for a commission. So if you make any sales, they'll pay you like, say, a 30% commission or a 50% commission. There are some affiliate networks that'll even pay 75% commissions for any sales you made. And this is what these particular videos are gonna go over, how to set all of that up. You see here next to all the green check marks, all the different video trainings that are in just that one particular lesson there. So there's a bunch of videos per lessons. You're going to learn pretty much everything you need to learn. These are some affiliate networks here. ClickBank Affiliate Network, the Warrior Plus tutorials for the Warrior Plus network. These are very detailed trainings. You'll even go through Zaxa, Thrive, and there's even Bitcoin tutorials, how to maneuver around the Bitcoin networks, the networks that have Bitcoin exchanges. How do you use Bitcoin for payment? Specifically, we all know about digital currency. It's the thing now. A few years back, people were a little bit skeptical, but now since the major banking institutions are using cryptocurrency themselves, we all know the legitimacy of it and the importance of being able to offer Bitcoin as a payment solution. And this will teach you step by step how to set it all up, even with coupons, even by adding coupons. This is awesome trainings. Next, we're going through Windows cPanel and file management. This is basically how you set up websites. If you didn't know, everything on the web is pretty much a bunch of folders and files. That's it. It's just a bunch of folders and files. I heard another marketer say this, and when he said this, I was like, you know what? At first I thought that's silly, but then I thought about it from a technical aspect of what I knew just from basic computer science. He's right. That's all of this is. It's folders and files, folks. It's just a bunch of folders and files. And you're going to learn how to use cPanel, which is the control panel for all websites. The Windows tutorials, how to use different things in Windows. And you may think, look, Windows comes with pretty much every computer. I know how to use Windows. Really? Do you know how to do all of this? Do you really know how to do all of this? Didn't think so. If you did know, you probably wouldn't be watching this video, right? And of course, we have even how to use Amazon S3. And if you didn't know what Amazon S3 was, it's a storage file that Amazon has. You can actually store all your files, store all your videos, and even more using Amazon S3. And it's a good way, a place to host your video files and audio files, because it won't take up as much space on your website if you merely just load them to Amazon S3 first. Then your websites will load up a whole lot faster. But once you get the training here, as I know you will, because you're a smart marketer, right? You want to know this, right? So when you get this, you're going to learn all about the ins and outs of that. Next, we got video animation, audio and image editing, how to use the various popular image and video editing tools. Again, step-by-step videos per lesson. And it doesn't matter which network you use that uses videos, these are going to help you with editing functions. These are the programs for editing, even audio. For those who've never heard of Audacity, Audacity is a very popular tool for editing any audio that you do, whether it's a podcast or even the audio for your video. You say your microphone just might not have been as great, you can still run that audio through Audacity and have it sounding top-notch, crisp, clear, high def. And you're going to learn all about that. More video animation tools for actually animation type things, you know, like the you remember the old cartoon South Park? You got animation styles like that, and even other animation styles that you can do right from your home computer. And this is going to give you every lesson on how to do that. We got email marketing, landing page builders, how to use popular email marketing sites such as Aweber and GetResponse and MailChimp. Step-by-step video tutorials, goes on and on. Active Campaign, SendGrid, popular lead pages. You'll even learn blogging and website building, how to use WordPress. And unless you've been under a rock somewhere, surely you know WordPress is pretty much the most popular blogging platform there is. But it's not just a blogging platform. Did you know over 50% of all websites on the web is powered by WordPress? So that kind of makes learning WordPress kind of important, wouldn't you think? Where you're going to have the step-by-step info on that, as well as just plain old HTML coding for site building. You're going to learn that. You're going to learn ClickFunnels. I know you've heard of the popular platform called ClickFunnels that builds sales funnels and landing pages. You'll learn how to use that exactly step by step in a more precise way than even what you might find on the ClickBank site itself, right? And of course, you'll learn how to use Wix, the infamous Shopify e-commerce. You might want to sell some for all your physical items that you want to sell. You might want to try to have you an online shopping site that's sort of like Amazon, something along that line. This is going to show you how to build that with Shopify. And if we just keep scrolling, we even teach you how to make documents, slides, and spreadsheets, use Excel and PowerPoint, all of that step by step. That's why I say these trainings don't only help you build your online business. Once you learn all of this stuff, you'll be able to help any business go online, or any business to utilize the online business tools and digital marketing tools that they're going to need, especially in 2024. I mean, everything's online. That horse has already been beaten to death, right? You know everything's online now. So you're going to need the training on how to use the online tools properly in the best way. And that's what we got here for you. How to build membership sites where you can get hundreds of thousands of people to log in, and all of their lessons or trainings are in this specialized secret private membership. You'll learn how to build that all on your own. You won't need to hire any outsourcers. you'll be your own outsourcer. Isn't that awesome? Or even better, you'll have other companies wanting to outsource you to do the work because you'll be the expert. Marketplaces to sell products such as the Udemy, Skillshare, Kindle, how to do Kindle publishing, how to sell on Amazon and do direct selling on Amazon. You're going to learn it all. How to do wholesaling. You're going to learn video creation and live stream, of course, with YouTube and even Facebook streaming. You might think, oh, well, that's good through my phone. I can just press record and share to Facebook. Blah, blah, blah. You know, you figure you already know that. But do you really know all of this? Look at this. Look at these lessons. Do you really know all of that in detail, step by step? Are you a professional with it? Well, once you log in here and study these lessons and these courses, you're going to be the professional. You will be the expert on how to use Zoom, iTunes, how to do podcasts the right way, step by step. And I'm talking about from a technical aspect. What buttons do you press? What do you do exactly? You know, there's a lot of digital marketing training programs that are being sold and launched nowadays, and it's interesting to me. Some of them are costing like $500, some of them are costing $1,000, but they'll tell you what you need to do and what it takes to start an online business or run an online business. But some of them are lacking in the details on how to do it from a technical standpoint. Like I just said, exactly what buttons do you press? How do you make this do what? Yeah, you told me I need to do this, but how do I do it? This is going to show you all of that and more. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and continue. Now, next we have traffic generation. You're definitely going to want to learn traffic generation. This is how you get people to your web business. What good is having a business online if nobody sees it, right? And these are going to teach you how to use Instagram to get traffic, how to use Pinterest, how to use all kinds of social media platforms like LinkedIn, even how to use GoToWebinar to generate traffic for your web businesses and opportunities. Digital marketing essentials, more tactics on how to do the startup, more affiliate marketing tactics, how to do email marketing the right way. Exactly how do you write emails? How do you grow your list? How do you do a blog properly so that it attracts traffic from the search engine? How to do content? How to create a product if you want to create your own product? Where do you go? What are the steps? What sites and resources that you use? This is what you use. You'll get everything added within a secret membership account that all you're going to do is just log in and the lessons are going to be there. You'll find a link somewhere in the description right underneath this video, and we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and I think you're going to be really happy about the price as soon as you see it. And once you click the link at the bottom in the description here of this video, you'll be able to log in and see some of the video trainings. You'll understand exactly what's going on. And here's just some examples of how some of the lessons are, of what the trainings are going to look like. Just little snippets. That's all this was, folks. We're running high on the bandwidth here. Like I said, being that I'm doing screen recording just to show you this. And it's going to be awesome. You're going to want to secure your order now.